If you have an Android phone with the Google Drive app installed, you can scan pages and then email those to people. So I'll show you how I did that. On my phone, I opened up the Google Drive app, and then when it opens, click the plus down in the lower right, and you'll see some options. One of them should be scan. Now, if you're not using an Android phone, it will say camera, and that's why this doesn't work on like an iPhone, but it will work on an Android phone. So when you pick that, it will let you take a picture of the page, and then if you tap this crop icon at the top, it will let you trim it however you want to. Then down at the bottom, you'll see there are three icons. The one on the left will let you add another page. The one in the middle will let you retake that picture if you need to. And then the check mark means you're done. Once you tap that check mark, it will upload to your Google Drive. Just tap on the menu icon, and you want to go to recent. That will show you your most recent files. Find that PDF that you just uploaded, and then tap those three dots. That'll open a menu. Scroll down and look for send a copy and tap that, and then you can pick your email app, and then you can email that to a teacher or whoever needs that PDF that you just scanned.